Look student, now question number 4. In the figure 6.36, which means this figure, as you can see in the video, this is a figure of 6.36. QR by QS, QR by QS and QT by PR. QT by, it is given PR. I repeat again, QR by QS and QT by PR, and angle 1 equal to angle 2, it is given here in the question, angle 1 equal to angle 2. We have to show that triangle PQS, which means this triangle, and TQR. I repeat again, angle PQS, which means this triangle, and TQR means this one. Let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 4. Look student, question number 4, the given part I have written from the main book. This portion given in the main book, this also angle equal to angle 1 equal to angle 2. The diagram is given in the book also, and we have to prove that triangle PQS means this triangle, similar triangle TQR. So given and proof already here, so let's start the proof portion. Look student, this is the diagram which I have drawn in a rough paper. Now look, here angle 1 equal to angle 2 is given, and look here student, this angle 1 and angle 2 is in the triangle PQR. So look here now, first of all I will write that here in triangle, look here, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, angle 1 equal to angle 2 here. Now look, angle 1 equal to angle 2. If angle 1 equal to angle 2, so students, which means angle Q is equal to angle R. So here we can say that, since angle 1 equal to angle 2, therefore we will write here that, PR equal to QP. Look here, QR is equal to QP, because in triangle PQR, I repeat again, in triangle PQR, angle 1 equal to angle 2. If angle 1 means what? Q, and 2 means R, so angle Q is equal to angle R. Now look, since these two triangles are equal, so PR equal to QP or PQ, whatever. What is the reason here now? Reason is, you have learned this theorem in class 9, probably the theorem 7.2 might be. Now look, the theorem is here, since sides opposite to equal angle, sides opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. This is the reason. Two angles are equal, so opposite two sides are also equal. So reason sides opposite to the equal angle are also equal. So this is our, I am taking this one as our equation number 1. Now look after that. Now look student, the given part is QR by QS equal to, there is QT by PR. This is the given part. Look in the diagram that QR by QS and QT by PR, this is the given part. Now look student, here in equation number 1, PR equal to QP or PQ, whatever. So in place of PR, I will put down here PQ from equation 1. Now look here, in this place I will write down QR by QS equal to QT by PQ, and here I will write from 1. Now look student, here QR by QS and there is QT by PQ. Now look after that, we'll take this one as our equation number 2. Now look after that. Look student, Now we need to prove that in this question that triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. Now look student, here I'm going to write down now in triangle PQS and triangle triangle TQR. Look here now, triangle PQS, triangle TQR. Now look here, first of all if I write here angle SQP and angle RQT, both common at angle Q, so I will write here that angle SQP equal to angle RQT. SQP means angle Q, RQT means also angle Q, so we'll write down here that common at Q, common at angle Q, first one. Now from the equation number 2, look once, QR by QS equal to QT by PQ, so we'll put down the equation number 2 there only. Now look, we'll put down here that QR by QS equal to QT by PQ. This is from equation number 1, sorry equation number 2, from equation number 2. Now look, if I go for the reciprocal here, now look, QR by QS and QT by PQ. Now if I go for the reciprocal here, then what will happen? Look, QS by QR and there is PQ by QT. If I go for the reciprocal, I am writing here now reciprocal. Now look student, first one angle SQP equal to angle RQP, common at Q, first one over. Now for the second one, look here now, for the second one that angle QS by angle QR and angle QP or PQ whatever by angle QT. So we can say that these two triangles are similar, because side and side QS and PQ equal and QR and QT equal, and angle SQP common at Q and RQT also common at Q. So we'll write here now that after that, look, I'm writing here, therefore triangle PQS similar triangle TQR, and this is side angle side. Look here now, side angle side criteria. So our this question is also over. We'll write here now, hence proved.